Understanding cancer, what it is and how to fight it with food. Imagine a cell in your body that's so perfect, it never dies. Sounds amazing, right? But what if I told you that this perfect cell could be the start of something dangerous, something we call cancer? Today, we're diving deep into what exactly cancer is, how it develops, and how the food you eat can either fuel or fight this disease. Welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is one that affects millions of people worldwide: cancer. We'll break down what cancer really is, why it happens, and most importantly, how the choices you make at the dinner table can impact your risk. So, what exactly is cancer? To put it simply, cancer begins when a cell in your body becomes perfect, but not in a good way. Normally, our cells grow, divide, and eventually die, making way for new cells. But a cancer cell is different. It's like a machine stuck in overdrive. It keeps growing and multiplying without ever stopping. These cells don't know when to die, and they don't follow the body's normal rules. As they multiply, they can form tumors, which can invade and destroy healthy tissue. Think of it like a weed in your garden. It starts small, but if left unchecked, it can take over and choke out all the healthy plants. That's exactly what cancer does in your body. So, what exactly happens when a cell becomes cancerous? In a healthy body, cells follow a strict life cycle. They grow, divide, perform their functions, and then die off to make room for new cells. But a cancerous cell breaks all the rules. These cells are like rebels. They grow uncontrollably, don't die when they're supposed to, and start invading the space of healthy cells. A normal cell has checks and balances in place, but cancer cells ignore these controls. They start multiplying rapidly, forming a massive tissue called a tumor. If left unchecked, these cells can spread to other parts of the body, a process known as metastasis, and that's when things get really dangerous. The name dates back over 2,000 years to ancient Greece. The Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine, first coined the term carcinose and carcinoma to describe tumors. These words are derived from the Greek word for crab. Hippocrates noticed that the swollen veins around a tumor resembled the shape of a crab's legs. Just like a crab, the cancer seemed to hide and grab onto nearby tissues, spreading out in all directions. This crab-like behavior led to the disease being named cancer, which is Latin for crab. Here's another interesting fact. The zodiac sign Cancer, which is also represented by a crab, shares this name. The symbolism of the crab in both the zodiac and the disease highlights something that hides beneath the surface and moves in various directions, much like how cancer can spread quietly and unpredictably in the body. So now that we understand what cancer is and why it's called cancer, the big question is, what can you do to protect yourself? While some risk factors, like genetics, are out of your control, lifestyle choices play a huge role in prevention. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, staying active, and avoiding tobacco and excessive alcohol can all reduce your risk. Regular screenings and checkups are also crucial because early detection can make a big difference in treatment outcomes. Did you know that some foods can actually fuel the growth of cancer cells? These foods create an environment in your body that's like fertilizer for those dangerous cancer cells, encouraging them to grow faster. For example, sugar feeds cancer cells by spiking your insulin levels, which can promote inflammation, a breeding ground for cancer. And processed meats contain chemicals like nitrates that have been shown to increase cancer risk. Just as some foods can fuel cancer, others can help fight it. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats can create a protective shield in your body. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help prevent cancer cells from growing. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are high in fiber and antioxidants that help detoxify the body. Berries are loaded with vitamin C and other nutrients that boost your immune system. And fatty fish like salmon provide omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help protect against cancer. A great way to incorporate these foods is by starting your day with a smoothie full of berries, spinach, and a bit of flaxseed. Or, try a salad packed with colorful veggies and a side of grilled salmon for lunch. It's all about making small changes that add up to big benefits. So, there you have it, a simple explanation of what cancer is and how the food you eat can make a real difference in your risk of developing it. Remember, every meal is a chance to nourish your body and protect your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need this information, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thank you for watching.